Welcome back to my channel, guys. In particular, all of my pro hairstylists out there, happy May. Prom, it is graduations, it's Mother's Day. Big month for hairstylists. So I pray that all your business is booked solid and profitable. Welcome to all of those that have recently subscribed to my YouTube channel. Out of all of the different social platforms that I'm on, I've been on YouTube the absolute longest. So I appreciate you guys rocking with me here. In this video, I want to show you an extended clip of one of my step-by-step hair color tutorials on my online education subscription. The clip is about 3 minutes or so, but the tutorial is about 38 to 40 minutes. If you are a stylist that is in a remote part of the country or maybe out of the country and you can't get to education as often as you would like in person, or you're somebody that loves online education, I have found over the years that many of my online subscribers to my membership come from YouTube because it's very similar that we watch education and we watch for pro techniques. Unlike my clips and short form content that's here, the membership has long form, multiple different tutorials, industry interviews, a podcast, business, content creating. It's loaded, guys. Imagine a hair show in your hand, or I used to call it the Netflix for hairstylists. So I'm gonna keep editing another tutorial and some more content. Check out this clip, guys, and hopefully after it, you decide to join us on the Tribe membership. So we're gonna do some blonding and again, some silk pressing, and we're gonna have fun with her. Again, guys, natural, hold your head down, let's see the roots. Natural redhead, guys. Looks like a 7cc copper right there. But no, that's her natural color with the beautiful freckles. And let's get started. This one is loaded, guys. We've got foiling with permanent hair color. We've got a fringe, quick blonde. She's a natural redhead. You see the gorgeous freckles. So we're going in, guys. I want to show you the options that I had. I had 9.34, which is like a copper blonde. I had 10 natural cool, right? So that's your blonde, but on the natural cooler side. Then I have this 10 with B or beige base. Then I have a Kenra 8 double ash. I'm gonna go with the 10 NC, and the permanent color, honestly, is what I prefer oftentimes. It's a slower process. It takes about 45 minutes, sometimes even up to 50 minutes, but certainly anywhere from 35 to 45. And you're mixing a developer in the bowl. Here is our sections. 5 triangle or a pinwheel section. This triangle from brow to brow in the front, from like top of brow to like the back of the ear on either sides down to the temple, and then section off. You want big, bold color or they'll get lost in all of the amount of hair that she has. And that's a challenge that we have with a lot of our naturals who have a ton of big, gorgeous hair. We got to go in with chunky, big highlights or single process all the way full on blonde. And this way, with the chunky highlights, her hair will look like it was intended to be colored that way, or her red is a highlight. Does that make sense? It's her natural base. So it's going to look like the hair color that we're putting in is complementing another color, but it's not two colors. It's her natural base. I hope that makes sense. And now we're going to go in, shampoo, stop the process, hydrate, right? Remember, her hair was dirty when she came in, so we gave her about 3 or 4 great shampoos. She was done, feeling good. She kind of dozed off a little bit. Oh, God, let me pause for a second. Guys, look at the marrying. This is the power of those triangles. They just marry in. And again, we were painting at the root, allowing her natural color to still peek through. Not only giving her a grow out, right, that won't be very sharp and that huge line of demarcation. I'm going to curl opposite or the other direction, right? I'm going to take and curl up or counter to the ones that are going under. I want that to fall in a way that really showcases that blonde in the front. That are out there utilizing all of the techniques that you see inside of my editing. It's something that I've always gotten asked about. That's why I created an entire course that you can have access to, guys, using the same profile that you have here with our Kajabi partners that are here, but you'll love Content Cake, showing you how to create beautiful video for your TikTok, for your YouTube, for your promo, for your tutorials if you're doing that, for your video, your Instagram, your handle, that bold blonde kicking out right above the eye, the before and the after. Guys, use these techniques. I hope you enjoyed this recent upload to your Tribe membership. Hey guys, thank you for subscribing to the YouTube and for clicking the link in my bio. If my channel here has been valuable to you and your salon business, I would love to have you join my online education subscription for pro hairstylists, or possibly I could be of service to you to help you get to your goals in your salon business or brand with my one-on-one coaching calls and Zooms.